I guess that means you gotta read instructions, which as you've seen, I'm not very good at.
Legend cartridges, I'm sorry.
What brings you back to the God's country?
There it is. Pay dirt.
I wish y'all could see this whole interaction. They're like a married couple arguing about.
CRF 450RL. No, it's wrong.
Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker. And you know I'm here to stay. All right, we're back over in Marvin's shop, and we are the job today is we're gonna put on Thrashin 9.5 inch pullbacks with mid-bend bars and chrome on his 2015 Dyna Wide Glide with his Saddleman seat and his Legend suspensions. And what's the Bassani 2-in-1 pipe. And it's got a cam in it. We already talked about all that stuff we did. But do you think that, can we set those Thrashin, there you go, on up by my bike? Because that's what I'd kind of like to do on the King. I don't know if we can put them up there to see if, I don't know how to measure to see which ones to get. I will say that Saddleman seat is not extended reach, so I'm closer to it for some reason than I was with the stock seat, which is okay. But I don't know if I need to take that stuff off of there. We don't have to, I don't want to take anything apart. Go ahead, do whatever you.
The mount's going to be really, really close to right there. So the bars would come down. Well, hold on. You can get the bars that, you know, you get
The high bend.
Right.
Yeah.
Which would get your hands
I just don't know
back
about
up
the
there.
pullback if I.
Back up there where they are. And you know, I'm pulling it back because your bar's in the way. I can't really get where it actually goes.
It
go
goes.
in front.
Okay.
Can you hold that bar?
Yeah.
I'll hold that right there. That'll give you your.
So that's not much pullback actually.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
But it's an inch and a half if I remember correctly.
Okay. And did you measure anything to get to that, or you just?
Yeah. So on his website, he tells you how to do all that stuff. He tells you, you know, get a protractor and draw stuff out on the table to figure out which angle your wrist likes to ride at, you know, to get the correct bend in it. And the same thing on the motorcycle, how to get the right height and the right pullback.
I guess that means you got to read instructions, which as you've seen, I'm not very good at.
Or watch Thrashin supply.
Yeah,
What he
I'll
calls
try to
them, like
link the video.
installation videos or something.
Anyway, so I want to put the same bars that he's putting on here on his Wide Glide on my big dude Dyna. So anyway, that's the goal. We also got Jay, singer-songwriter extraordinaire.
Yeah.
This will be out after we make our live debut on the Zach Owens show, but maybe I'll link that if we don't embarrass ourselves.
Decide if we're going to put it
Then we got old friend of yours, friend of tears, Scott, who we grew up with, who's lived in North Carolina. He left us 30 years ago. 25 years
27,
ago, and he's in town. So yeah, it's a cold, rainy kind of day, so we figure we'd be in the shop. So let's get to it.
The shifter, lever.
These are
No.
You took the covers, were there covers on there like
Oh, I know what you're saying. I have new cartridges.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm gonna take those out and put the cartridges in. What
So let's, did it have covers over the, like mine, or no?
the shocks?
Yeah, covers over the
Yes.
shot.
Yeah, so it's like a 32 millimeter cap goes over top of that. But these are those old cartridges. So
Legend.
they're Allen. Legend cartridges. I'm sorry. Yes, correct. Yes.
And by the way, Marvin paid for all this stuff. It's not Legend. Yeah, he didn't get any of this stuff. This is the stuff he's buying and putting on. I feel like I have to say that now that I gotta.
That's a smart move.
Yeah. Oh, you're not having a light?
You
Yeah,
can
also,
bend that.
yeah. Yeah.
So there's running.
Yeah.
Buy a spatter coated them for me. You can
Oh,
still
you
see.
can't order them
They
black?
come anodized black or chrome.
Oh, really?
And it's such a contrast
Yeah.
between that gloss
Oh,
black. I
wow.
couldn't stand it.
Okay.
So I just carried it to Ronnie and had them powder coated. They turned out great.
Yeah.
That's one
So
of the-
these are for his 24 CVO Road Glide ST. He's gonna put the Thrashin, and he had them powder coated at aftermarket here locally.
It's a lot closer than that anodized was.
Yeah.
It's got that shine to it. It did kind of cover up a little bit of like the flag and the made in the USA kind of stuff on it. Thrashin sign, it's there. I wish they would add powder coat.
Yeah, I'm surprised they
So
didn't
many
have
of
a
these
gloss black.
motorcycles are coming gloss black.
Yeah.
Man, I ain't seen you in 100 years.
Yeah, man, at least.
Where are you at these days?
In North Carolina still.
Still up there, huh? What brings you back to the God's country?
You can see mom and dad.
Yeah?
There's only the Kraken. You didn't release the Kraken over here?
I did, and it's too cold for that, and wet.
Yeah.
Too cold and wet.
One of us rode. It's 5 miles.
I ain't got the grandkids yet, but probably not too far.
I got a
Right,
question.
knocking on your door.
She was 1 year old in August, so
I want to take the Crown Royal bag and
my old,
put the strap over here, put that in the bag and just hang with it.
he's an
We're
electrician.
taking-
Oh, my
Little
youngest.
hard there. I don't think
You're gonna have to disconnect it where it goes through the bars and pull that wire out. You're not gonna be able to disconnect it from that switch.
I ain't arguing with that, but where in the world is it?
It's these two wires, now where the hell they go, I can't tell you.
Into the frame. I think I got enough slack here. I can get enough slack. No, I can't. I don't think you can feed me some slack.
Let me see.
I'm almost at the end of the bar.
Well, hold on. This one the one that goes left, or this one? I think it's this one.
They make this look easy on Thrashin Supply. They got 10 people standing around, everybody doing something.
And they've done 100 of them. They're not learning as they go.
Yeah.
They're holding me right now. Can you slide me off of that?
13 MW.
Yeah, like that. Over. Don't work.
Oh, that's what these are 13 MWC, but they're.
I thought you had to take this off.
These are MWC, but they,
For what?
Cause it has all the wires
I
connected.
can't, but they're.
This is supposed to be a simple job.
Normally you wear like, I probably wear.
I had that for a while. I didn't have the wax.
Sure we don't want to pull the fuse?
Yeah. That's good.
Well, you can go ahead and get that on out of the way though, huh? We don't want anything in there. God damn, vent hose.
I need to get this out loose.
You can lay it on the tank in here. The cover's full. We can't be this rough whenever it comes to my road glide.
Yeah.
We're gonna be gentle. Real gentle. It's still going. There it is. Pay dirt.
Now y'all were saying how jealous you were of us. Y'all weren't camping with us when it was 23 degrees outside in, what y'all were saying? I think y'all were making fun of us.
No, we wasn't making fun of you till that northern hit. Then we really started making fun of you.
I don't know. Well, you got
Mine's
it.
gone.
Mine's gone.
That hurts my feelings.
You didn't have the hard bushing.
The way you doubt me like that all the time.
Well, you didn't order the right shit. I'm a little concerned.
I got more bolts right over there. You know, the wrench goes both ways. Like you used to. Hold on. I'll do this and you do the cap.
That's pretty much centered. I just don't know how you want to rotate
Do the cap.
it. There we go.
I see.
Now then we just gotta feed the wire.
I can't believe that stuff. I ain't got to buy new cables, man. I would have lost that bet. For
Now
sure.
the clutch and brake cable is gonna be a little big, but that looks fine.
Breathe down, lower, up,
Down, forward, towards the bike a little bit.
toward the bike.
Right.
Oh, God. Now I'll get that headlight set straight again.
Yeah.
Put it against the shop door tonight, I guess.
Yeah.
Wire going to it.
Alright.
I need to find this side now.
Where the hell is that on? Oh, right there. I found it.
Do I?
I was looking for my end of it.
I'm looking for my side.
Yeah, we knew it was gonna go back here, remember? I know.
Marvin, what do you call it? What is this?
That's a CRF 450RL.
Is that you call that a dual sport or a?
Well, yeah, something. Yeah.
Okay.
It's basically a dirt bike that's got tags and blinkers on it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Sure is fun to ride. Like a Big Ben though.
Yeah. Oh, I bet.
A little bit. Smooth fit.
Wouldn't you put the side cover on first, make it easier on it? Or no?
No, it pops right on.
How's it feel? Just right out.
That's so much.
Yeah.
I was up here. My hands were way above my shoulders. I'm just slightly below my shoulders, just like advertised.
You just have to rotate where you want and we tighten them up.
No, it's wrong. These are tweaked out with each other. This has got to go that way, or we got to rotate the whole thing, man.
This needs to be loosened.
He gets one right every once in a while, and he wants to make a big deal out of it.
I wish y'all could see this whole interaction. They're like a married couple arguing about it.
It's just that you came in so happy and I couldn't get my shoes off, so I flailed at you. I'm sorry, you forgive me?
No!
To type A personality, so would say.
Remember pulling forward when you're doing that.
Yeah, man.
My bars are going forward. Oh man, that's so good. So scared.
Oh, we gotta hook the gas brake.
It's not. I hope you edit that.
No.
No, he says.
Okay. I knew we forgot something.
Better keep going, yours is a lot wider.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Oh my God, that's so sexy.
All right, Thrashin Supply, 9.5-inch pullbacks with mid-bend bars on a Dyna Wide Glide in chrome. Marvin can't stop smiling.
Sure.
I think you're a Dyna bro now. I don't know, assistant with Dyna bro, but
It's just such a better feel.
yeah.
Oh,
I
yeah.
guarantee it's gonna handle like a dream.
I'll ride it now.
Yeah.
He wouldn't
He
know.
said, take it riding. I said, I ain't riding with them big apes. I can't control that thing
Yeah.
up here like that.
I think it even looks better.
Oh, no question.
What are we doing this? Oh, we're going back there. So
You're
we're
gonna do here, bro.
Huh?
All right, we're gonna continue the build of turning my Road King into a big dude Dyna, and I had a fellow biker send me some, what do you call these?
On They call them flat out bars.
Flat out bars. So this is, I'm not sure even the brand, but I'm not 100% sure it's gonna work or fit, but we're gonna give it a shot.
It just pops on that side.
Pretty new saddle seat. Still dirty bike. Ain't cleaned it.
We'll just do one side before we get carried away, make sure they fit. There we go. It's a little off. I bet we can bend that down and get that one in and then we pull that one over maybe.
Let's put that one in first, because I'd rather leverage from the top. Your other two. I darn sure like the style of it.
That helps with your black bars too.
Yeah, that's true.
That really helps with the black bars.
That's a lot better looking style.
Yeah, I agree. The style's cooler, it looks better, more modern.
Alright.
That was the bow hole.
Hammer it on.
Want that head blow? Did I move that?
Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
He ain't giving you enough credit that we just did.
Yeah.
Alright, put this other box on. There we go.
You feeling that?
Yeah.
Alright, Phillips.
Phillips screwdriver and we're,
Marvin's
Man, not bad,
Marvin's an
bad.
organized person.
I thought y'all said through. I heard the words through. No, I heard it word.
he's way better than I am. I have tools scattered everywhere and I can't find them. All right.
It's already looking better, Jack.
Yeah. Part 2, Big Boy Dyna project.
We'll clean that front end up and she's gonna start looking like something.
Yep. All right, that's another Bogey Biker install in the books. I'm sure you learned a lot, but it was good to see my old buddy Scott. He's got to get home here in a day or two, but we sure appreciate you watching.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah, honey,